Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Mike. I'm in a 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee with an aftermarket Pioneer AVX-1300 Pioneer Apple CarPlay radio. The alternator on this Jeep went out a couple weeks ago, and in the process, the radio stopped working. I checked the standard fuse in the Jeep panel. It had not blown. Started looking around online for the fuse for this particular model. Could not find it anywhere. Ended up pulling it out and looked and looked and looked. And I'm looking here. You can see there's. Sorry, it's at nighttime. No fuse, no fuse, no fuse. And then all of a sudden I see this little red thing peeking out. I'll throw the screwdriver on it. Right. See where the tip of the, you see that little red guy peeking out back there? That's a 10 amp fuse. That had blown. So I pull out this little plug right here, pull out the fuse, test it, it's gone, put in a new fuse, I'm back in business. That's it. There's another video on YouTube about how to pull the dash apart that's pretty good. It only lasts a few minutes, so I'm not going to go through the process of that, but hopefully this helps you. You guys have helped me in the past, and I'm looking to repay the favor.